Are you looking to create a course on Skool and make money? You're in the right place. In this quick explainer, we'll walk through everything you need to know to get your Skool course up and running so you can start earning today. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. First, let's talk about why Skool is a powerful platform for creating and monetizing your courses. Skool allows you to build a community driven learning experience by combining online courses with interactive discussions. That means not only can you deliver valuable content, but you can also engage with your students in a meaningful way, which is key for building a loyal, paying audience. Next thing, setting up your Skool course is straightforward, but it does require some key decisions. You'll need to choose the right course format. Skool offers a flexible system where you can create a combination of video lessons, written content, quizzes, and discussions. It's designed to keep users engaged, but there's a catch. While it's easy to use, you might find that the customization options are somewhat limited compared to other course platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. So, if you're looking for deep customization, Skool might not be the best fit for that. But if you value simplicity and interaction, it's a solid choice. The fourth thing to think about is monetization. Skool offers a simple pricing structure that lets you charge for access to your course, but it's a bit restrictive when compared to platforms like Thinkific or Podia, which give you more control over pricing tiers and memberships. While Skool has its own native payment system, it's not as integrated or as robust as others. That said, it does work well for creators who just want to get started quickly without diving into too many complex payment setups. Now, let's talk about how to actually make money with your course. To be successful, you need to focus on building a community that is willing to pay for exclusive access. The Skool community feature is a big selling point. It's built around a group chat function, which helps foster communication between students and the course creator. This is a great way to upsell additional products or premium content later down the line, but it does rely heavily on your ability to engage your audience effectively. However, if you want to make the most out of Skool, there are a few drawbacks. For one, you may find that its features for upselling and handling large-scale courses don't quite measure up to more established course platforms. Plus, if you're someone who needs more in-depth analytics to track your students' progress, Skool's basic reporting tools might not be enough. Next thing, let's discuss some alternatives that can actually help you achieve your goal faster and with better tools. While Skool is a great option for those who want simplicity and a strong community focus, it lacks the flexibility and features that platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia offer. These platforms allow for more granular control over pricing, content layout, and marketing tools. Plus, some of them come with more powerful integrations, making it easier to scale your course as your audience grows. The last thing I'll say is that there's a better option for creators who want to quickly build and sell courses with more customization options. If you're serious about turning your course into a business, I recommend looking into alternatives that offer free trials and the features you need to scale. Before we finish up, I want to mention that if you decide to give Skool a try, you can use our exclusive link to get an extended free trial and extra benefits. But remember, I've also included some amazing alternatives in the description that are better suited for course creators looking to make money. They come with free trials as well, so you can test them out risk-free. Be sure to check the link and start building your course today.